Let's explore some of the advanced features of GitHub. GitHub offers powerful tools for collaborative development. We will look at collaboration, automation, and security features to streamline your development process. Pull requests are a cornerstone of collaborative development on GitHub. Draft pull requests allow you to start a discussion and gather feedback before the code is ready for review. Linking issues to pull requests and setting up auto-closing ensures that related tasks are tracked and resolved efficiently. Required reviews and approvals enforce code quality by mandating that changes are reviewed before merging. Branch protection rules prevent accidental or malicious changes to important branches. Suggested changes let reviewers propose specific code modifications directly within the pull request. Here is an example of how to create a draft pull request via command line interface. First, check out to the feature branch. Make changes to your code. Add and commit the changes with a message. Push the changes to origin feature branch. Then create a draft pull request with GitHub command line interface, specifying the draft flag and title. GitHub Actions enables the automation of your development workflow. Upon a push event, a GitHub Actions workflow is triggered, which runs a set of jobs including build, test, and deploy, and provides automated feedback and notifications. Here is an example of a continuous integration pipeline configuration file. The name of the workflow is Continuous Integration Pipeline. The trigger for the workflow is a push to the main branch, or a pull request targeting the main branch. The job is build and test. The job runs on the latest version of Ubuntu. The steps include checking out the code and setting up Node.js. GitHub issues are essential for tracking tasks, bugs, and enhancements. Custom issue templates with form fields provide a structured way for users to submit issues, ensuring that all necessary information is collected. Automated labeling with GitHub Actions helps categorize and prioritize issues based on predefined criteria. Project boards offer a visual way to organize and track issues, making it easy to see the status of different tasks. Advanced search queries and filters allow you to quickly find specific issues based on various parameters. Issue linking and dependencies enable you to establish relationships between issues, making it easier to manage complex projects. Here's an example of a custom issue template configuration. The name of the template is Bug Report, with a description to file a bug report, a label of bug and triage, and an assignee of Octocat. The body consists of a markdown section to thank the reporter, and an input field to specify the version. GitHub Projects provide a flexible way to manage and track your work visually. Projects are organized into columns representing different stages of a workflow, such as to do, in progress, in review, and done. Cards within each column represent individual tasks or issues, providing a clear overview of the project's status. The to-do column contains tasks that need to be started, such as adding user authentication and fixing a login redirect issue. The in-progress column includes tasks that are currently being worked on, such as improving search performance and adding dark mode support. The in-review column contains tasks that are awaiting review, such as updating the API documentation. The done column contains tasks that have been completed, such as fixing an image upload bug. Automation allows you to auto-assign issues and update their status as they move through the project workflow. Custom fields allow you to track priority, effort, and deadlines for each task. Insights provide burn-down charts and velocity tracking to help you monitor progress and identify potential bottlenecks. GitHub Discussions provide a collaborative communication space for your community to have conversations, ask questions, and share ideas. The question and answer category is used for seeking answers from the community. The ideas category is used for sharing ideas for new features and improvements. The announcements category is used for project updates and important notices. The general category is used for open-ended conversations about the project. Here is an example discussion. The discussion is titled Best Practices for GitHub Actions. It was started by dev user 2 days ago and is in the question and answer category. The question describes their experience with GitHub Actions and asks for advice on structuring complex workflows, managing secrets, and optimizing for speed and reliability. The discussion has 12 upvotes and 5 replies, and the question is marked as answered. GitHub Codespaces provides cloud-based development environments that can be accessed from anywhere. Codespaces offers instant setup with pre-configured environments, allowing developers to start coding without the hassle of setting up local machines. It has seamless integration with GitHub Workflow, making it easy to collaborate and contribute to projects. Customizable configuration with Dev Container. JSON enables developers to define their preferred development environment. VS Code extensions and personalization allow developers to tailor their codespaces to their specific needs. Collaboration with port forwarding and sharing enables developers to work together in real time. Here's an example of a devcontainer.json configuration file. It defines a Node.js project using the official JavaScript Node image version 18. It forwards ports 3000 and 5000. It specifies custom versus code extensions. GitHub provides several security features. Dependabot automatically detects vulnerable dependencies in your project and creates pull requests to update them. Code scanning, powered by CodeQL, automatically scans your code for security vulnerabilities and coding errors. Secret scanning automatically scans repositories for known secret formats and alerts you when credentials are committed accidentally. Branch protection enforces specific workflows, requires reviews, and prevents force pushes to critical branches. Here are some examples. Dependabot identifies a critical vulnerability in Lodash. The severity is high and the affected version is less than 4.17.21. The workflow name is CodeQL. Secret scanning detects an AWS access key. Branch protection rules for main requires pull request reviews, requires status checks to pass, and include administrators. The GitHub command line interface is GitHub's official command line tool that brings pull requests, issues, and other GitHub concepts to your terminal. It provides commands for repository management, such as creating, cloning, viewing, and forking repositories. Pull request commands include creating, checking out, reviewing, and merging pull requests. Issue commands allow you to create, list, view, and close issues. Workflow commands enable you to list, run, and view workflows, as well as list workflow runs. Here's an example of a GitHub command line interface session. First, authenticate to github.com with preferred protocol of HTTPS. Authenticate Git with GitHub credentials. How would you like to authenticate, browser? Then, create a pull request with the title of Add User Profile Page, and the body. This pull request implements the user profile feature, creating a pull request for feature branch to main and username/repo. The link of pull request is generated. The common workflow steps are listed. Create an issue, view the issue in the web, create a pull request, check pull requests, and merge pull requests. In summary, GitHub's advanced features enhance collaboration through pull requests, discussions, and reviews, enabling seamless teamwork and code quality. Automation is facilitated by GitHub Actions, Dependabot, and command line interface tools, which streamline workflows and increase productivity. Security is reinforced with code scanning, secret detection, and branch protection, ensuring your projects remain secure. For further exploration, consider consulting the GitHub Docs, GitHub Skills, GitHub Blog, and the GitHub Community Forum. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.